What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. Today is a late one. It's nighttime. It's really late. It's cold. It's the last good day out here, bro. But we are about to get ready to cut up with Cam, CB, Ed, CMB, Frey, and Tyrone over there, Type B, Bobby over there with the cat. So we about to get ready to do that POV Type B. So y'all enjoy this banger video. We about to do some wild shit. I'm a little no energy because, bro, it's cold. It's cold. I'm tired. I hate it here. I'm ready to move somewhere. It's hot. I'm ready to move to Dallas. So y'all see these videos. I'm gonna start moving to Dallas Type B because it's time to go. Get away from this, bro. But anyways, no cap. He fooling, ain't he? Mustang. I hate Mustangs. We don't do Mustangs. So Type B. No face. Look at Mackenzie. Mackenzie, when I start her vlog, y'all tell her to go vlog. Miss Mackenzie on Instagram. Tell her to start vlogging. I don't know what you're doing.
_ Mackenzie EEE 3 E's.
Y'all heard it here first, folks. So yeah, so I'm ready to start this job cut up because they are tripping. But in the meantime, between time, I'll get a quick montage of all the cats. No kissy. Moving them? When we gonna start the video? Huh? Start the video. Where y'all moving them to? Oh, okay. He said run with cars. They need gas.
Oh my God, is it breaking? I get out of gas. Oh, bitch.
Revv Nation, the mask is crazy, bro. So we about to get ready to cut up with my boy Cam, CBM, Frey, Bobby. This dude, where is he doing? Bro, they are hilarious, bro. But I'm ready to cut up, bro. I'm ready. It's cold out here, so let's get to it, bro. You gonna let her do it? You might as well. You might as well drive. Right. Crash is crazy. Driving shit. He wanted to get somebody so bad.
Want to? Come here, boy.
Bro, Tyrone was cutting up in this boy Revv Nation. Bro, we just pulled over for a quick second, I guess, to do whatever it is we gonna do. Bro, that junk was crazy.
Still though, like, I don't know. It probably ain't enough to be doing what I'm doing. Like, cause nigga, that pool was crazy. I thought that bitch was from transmission was gonna break on that bitch. It was that bad, nigga. I don't know what the fuck, bro. Like,
It ain't feel right though.
no, bro.
Yeah, it ain't feel right. Cause you know how it's supposed to feel.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Nigga, that pool is not supposed to feel like that. Bro.
Yeah.
I felt like I broke my fucking drivetrain trying to do that pool. It was like that bitch is exhausted. Like my motor is exhausted.
He says, I'm tired.
Nigga,
It's cold and I'm tired.
I have 0% oil. Like, police officer. Nigga, fuck that nigga. Fuck that what you gonna do? Come over here. It's 2 cats and 2 scats.
Hey, that's all I put right here. Easy escape, nigga.
Them niggas ain't.
Oh my god, I told you to escape. You was a criminal, mind.
You are a criminal.
You are, yeah, nigga.
You are King Von though, so you did murder like 13 people. So